Recently, I actually wrote a poem, a spoken word piece. I've never performed this before, but I'm going to share it with you all here live. So this is the debut of it. I would like to call it my 2-minute philosophy of education, of my mindset of how I reach them and how I teach them. And the name of the piece is called, Are You Ready? Are you ready? Welcome to an unordinary classroom where lifelong learning appears a bit different, where you're considered more than just a test score. And the main standards that I'll make common to your core are the ones that you create and set for yourselves. Put a brand new spin on comprehension. Expose you to the levels of identity that you never knew existed. See, I'm gonna teach you how to be your own magician, how to abracadabra your way of thinking, how to conduct mental magic tricks that will expose you to your sixth sense, a heightened self-awareness where you operate in your strengths, your gifts. Are you ready? Your I can't will become I cans. I am not transforms to I ams, and I'm not good enough for place where I was birthed with a purpose. My purpose has a purpose, so I'm a push through, not because my teacher told me so, but because I believe that deep down in the pits of my belly that I am worth it. Are you ready? We'll have ups, we'll have downs, but we're going to have more ups than downs because I'm going to make it my priority to shift your perspective of what a down actually really looks like. Convince you to see mistakes as opportunities, to overcome challenges and master new victories. I will use my strengths and weaknesses as examples to help you figure out your own. I'm talking an exchange of vulnerabilities. I have you seeing that your mistakes are only lessons. Your failures are up to your perceptions, and mountains are pebbles. Adversity is inevitable. Choice is your decision. Your mindset is your dominion. I'm talking shifted perspectives, emotional resiliency. See, I hope to introduce you to your wings. Are you ready? Push through is just the bare minimum of what I plan to instill in you. I'm here to tell you that your past doesn't define you, that your current doesn't have to hinder you, that your world is waiting on you to manifest the powers and gifts that you have buried deep down inside of you. Welcome to this unordinary classroom. We have a lot of work to do. I hope that you're ready.